it's your girl Alexi Adams. I know I've been absent for quite some time now, but newsflash, I am back. I know you've all missed your fave, but I am back now with you guys. I know you missed me and I missed you too, but it's for a good cause why I've been absent for quite some time now. But I am back and I am back here today with yet another episode of the Get Inspired with Alexi Adams. And it's a brand new day, brand new, beautiful new week. And I am here with another inspiring episode to get ourselves inspired for the life ahead, the week ahead, and the beautiful day ahead. So chill, take a chill pill, relax, and enjoy the show. Hmm? Ta-da! So, on today's episode of the Get Inspired with Alexi Adams, I have bring you all a good news of the topic I titled How to Find Your Purpose and Passion. Yes, that is the topic for today's episode of the Get Inspired with Alexi Adams is how to find your purpose and passion. Have you ever felt lost? Like you're just going through the motions of life without a clear direction? You wake up, go to work, stroll through social media, and repeat the cycle day in, day out. But deep down, there is a part of you that craves something more, something new, something unique, something that pushes you, a sense of meaning, a deeper fulfillment. You see, that, my friend, is your soul's way of telling you to find your purpose and passion. And in today's episode, I will share practical steps to help you uncover what truly sets your soul on fire, what truly pushes you, what truly bring out the real meaning of life for you, like what brings out your passion, what makes you live a purposeful life with passion, what makes you fulfill your passion. So let's go. Step one on our list is look within, self-reflection. The journey to finding your purpose starts within. Take a moment to pause and reflect. Ask yourself what excites you. What do you love doing even if you're not paid for? Even if you're not paid for it, what do you love doing? What activities makes you lose track of time? Like you do that and you won't even realize the time is fast spent. Often, the things you are naturally drawn to hold clues to your passion. Those things you find yourself doing, you love doing, are what hold clues to your passion. So start journaling your thoughts, dream and experiences that brings you joy. Patterns will begin to emerge, and that's where the magic happens. Step 2, explore new experiences. Sometimes we get stuck because we haven't exposed ourselves to enough experiences. Passion isn't always something you find, sometimes it's something you discover along the way. So try new things today. Take a class, travel, learn a skill, or volunteer. That way, the more you explore, the more likely you will stumble upon something that ignites a fire within and brings out the passion in you. Step 3, identify your strength and values. Your purpose often aligns with your strengths and values. What are you naturally good at? Are you a good communicator, a problem solver, a creative thinker? List out your strengths and consider how they can be used to serve others. Similarly, identify your core values. what truly matters to you. Is it helping people, creating art, or making an impact in your community and society at large? When your strengths and values align, you'll feel more connected to your purpose. So identify your strengths and value today to find your purpose and passion in life. Step 4: overcome fear and self-doubt. Many people never find their purpose because fear holds them back. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of not being good enough. But let me tell you, your purpose is bigger than your fear. The key is to take small steps, embrace the unknown, and trust yourself. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. You need to always remember this. So, overcome that fear, step out of your comfort zone, and overcome that self doubt to find your purpose and passion in life. Step 5 on our list is serve others and create impact. At the heart at the heart of purpose is service. True fulfillment comes when we contribute meaningfully to something greater than ourselves. Ask yourself, how can I use my talents and passions to make a difference? When you focus on impact rather than just success, you will find deeper meaning in your journey in life, and that will help you find your purpose and passion in life. So serve others today and create impact. Before we call it a wrap for today's episode, I would love to give a piece of advice. Finding your purpose and passion isn't a one time event. No, it's not. It is a journey. It's about taking small intentional steps every day towards the life you were meant to live. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Create the perfect moment. Yeah, you can create it. Explore, reflect, and take actions. Your purpose is waiting for you, and I'm rooting out for you. So start now and act now. And surely you'll find your purpose and passion in life. So that's it for today's episode. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs this message. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring videos. Until we meet again on my next episode, I remain my humble self, Alexi Adams, and I would love for us to put all what I have said and shared in in today's episode into practice, and you will definitely find your purpose and passion in life. Yes. So bye for now. Love you all. Stay tuned for more.